Feet together, facing the front.
We're at the Shiny Satellite office, and we're in the midst of a Lit In program sponsored by DEP. Lit In is a summer camp. It goes on for several days, right? So we have literacy in dance here, where a dance instructor comes in. We have literacy in swim, where swim instructors will teach kids how to swim.
I feel like I'm learning and having fun because I made like lots of new friends.
It's just teaching us to like have a good time and just start reading stuff, and then when you're just scared to read you just have to have confidence.
We have 14 camps, so kids and guardians can actually choose and select their interest. And we have everything ranging from swimming, dance, soccer, literacy, and DJing, So kids can sign up for their interest and then actually pursue that interest with literacy and an actual vendor that specializes in that skill.
I swim like every once in a while, and I didn't want to jump in the pool at all, but one of my friends was scared to jump in the pool too. Well, we wasn't friends at first, but now we're best friends. So we both just jumped in at the same time, and it made me come over my fear for jumping in the pool.
Literacy In is definitely designed to keep kids engaged because it is summer. And it had a whole year of learning, right? So what would make them want to come back and learn some more, work with teachers and instructional assistants, right? You get to read a story about it, and then you get to do that thing. Keeping them engaged and working on the literacy skills is very important because we help to combat that summer slide. And we're also giving babies an opportunity to be engaged with things free of charge. They can form some great memories, have some unique experiences, and really learn to grow.
It's been a good thing because my cousin is here, and then like we're having a good time, like swimming, dancing.
You know the saying, seeing is believing? Well, with Literacy In, literally reading is being. They read about it and then they do it. That's what they get.